Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We've got another product today to try out, and we're gonna we've never messed with this before. It's called a Maxi TPMS, made by a company called OTOFIX. Same one as that scanner that I showed you guys before. So this thing here programs TPMS sensors because that other deal does not, and this one will program TPMS sensors. So on Daniel's car, we're gonna actually do it. He bought these wheels, they never had them in there, and we've never messed with it. This is our very first time, so don't judge us strictly. We're just gonna go with it with you guys and hopefully not bore you too much. So we're gonna get right in it. First thing you do is, we obviously opened it. We did an update on it. It had to do a Wi-Fi update on all basically a program update. That way it's up to date. So we did the update. Now we're just gonna be kind of pausing video, getting to it, seeing what we need to do, and hopefully reprogram all 4 of his TPMS sensors so he's good to go. When he bought these wheels, it didn't have any in there. And so yesterday he actually went out, got them installed, purchased them from some guy on Facebook, got them in there. So they're all in every single wheel now, and we just need to program them. So let's go do it together. So we just, Daniel did his own video, one of his very first ones. He needs some Subaru followers, so we just programmed all his sensors. It's fairly simple procedure, and I don't know, we're gonna go and try to do my van since this is already done. We'll kind of go step by step. Basically, he read all the sensors, and then he did a relearn procedure, and he read all of them again, and then went inside and connected it to his OBD2 plug or whatever, you know, the plug where you can read all the codes and all that. So you do that, and then after that, they put it in the car, and his light is gone, so he doesn't have any TPMS sensor lights. So pretty simple procedure. Products on Amazon, I'll leave you guys the link in the description as well after this video. So let's go do mine.
All right.
You have any codes?
No, I don't have anything on the dash. I'm trying to see if I can read it through where I would go.
Okay, let's go do my van. Okay. I'm itching to know if Mr. Beast over here, what kind of sensors this is. Basically, the other one told me that left, right, and right, left front and left rear were the ones that were bad on mine. So we'll read it real quick and see what. You gonna read? Let's do it.
We can read it on here.
Just go back out and clear everything.
Yeah.
Too bad there's a glare. People can't really see the screen much.
Go on the other side.
You can leave this on. You're gonna have to plug it in anyway.
Okay.
So basically, you go to quick read or quick mode, pick Mercedes.
This first one.
Quick mode. Sorry, glare. Go down to Sprinter.
It's number 69 on here, Mercedes. Scroll down to what kind of model.
Glare, these people can't see nothing. I'm sorry, guys.
I should have come over here. Scroll through, it's going to be a Sprinter. S-Class, SL. Sprinter right here.
Sprinter doesn't have an S-Class, but yep.
And there are a couple sensors on here. What year is yours?
15.
2014, 2010, 2018. It should be this one right here.
Scan all?
Yeah, we can scan the sensors.
Okay, let's go. And it tells you go to scan all. It tells you to scan front left. Let's go scan front left, see if it reads it.
Yep, it's reading this one. Now it tells us to go to the right front. So we'll come over to this side. Come here. Same thing.
Or maybe it was right front and right rear. It doesn't want to scan this one. Turn this thing this way. problem one. Maybe that's why it doesn't work.
Yeah, this one might have a dead battery in it. Yeah, couldn't read this one. So let's go out. Let's see this. Try to just scan this one itself. This one does not want to read. Let's give this a shot.
Okay, my front right passenger side does not want to read, so either has a dead battery or I don't know what the case is. Let's go read the next one. See if he reads this one. If it doesn't read this one, then it was right rear and left rear. Or I'm sorry, right and both right side ones are bad. That's what the other code reader told me. That AutoFix other one, main one.
The right side, front and rear?
One side wasn't working. I don't remember if it was right or rear. I could hook the other one back up and I'll know exactly what it was, but well, it doesn't matter. If it doesn't read them, it doesn't read them.
This one doesn't seem like... This one doesn't work.
Yeah, see? Failed.
So let's try this other one.
I'm gonna have to buy some for myself and do it like Daniel did.
Come here, try to read this one.
Doesn't want to read any of them.
So this one doesn't want to read as well, looks like. Let's try this front one. Again, let's see if I'll read it.
Doesn't want to read this either.
Nope. It won't let me read them. So if I go back to try to scan all sensors.
Okay, we got scanned that one.
Got it, and it told us the temperature. Let's try this one again. I feel like if you hold it too close, it doesn't want to catch it. So you got to keep a little bit of a distance.
Maybe I got 3 bad ones now.
I might have 3 bad ones.
So we're gonna try to do a relearn procedure on my van actually. See if maybe this would work, but I have a feeling that I got 3 bad sensors. So that's the problem. Go ahead and plug it in.
I'll record you, you can do it.
No. Okay. All tires are inflated, blah, 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 under the pressure. How do you do okay?
Click the Y. The Y on your thing, yes.
It's not doing anything. You want it back?
Click on it again. Click OK.
Ensure all tires. Starting with the left tire, use the tpms tool to trigger each sensor in the following order: left, front, right, rear, transition on, connect this port, then right sensor IDs, switch off, then switch on ignition. Okay. So do I need to... So I got 3 bad sensors. Every way we try to do it, it only read 1, if you can see that, which is the left front. All the rest of them are bad. And I just want to show you guys this, that this works. It worked on Daniel's car, So if you guys want to see that relearn procedure and everything he did on a WRX, I'm going to leave his video in the description, because we just did previously to mine his, and he did that video. I was recording him. I should have been recording on both cameras, that way we would have known what's going on, but to show you guys. But I decided to do my van, thought we could do it, or at least show you the procedure, and it didn't work. So this van, I don't think they are even programmed, or I don't think they're even here either. So let's try this one, and at least it'll give you an idea of what to do, how to do it, and how to even check if you're getting the problem. Because you could have bought a new vehicle and you don't know if the sensor is good or bad, or you could have, you know, got the light and you don't know what's going on. You don't know which wheel it is, which is real simple to check with this tool. So I'm going to exit out of everything, and then we're just going to go ahead and rescan all the sensors. So we got the Ford Econoline E Series. I guess it's the E Series. Maybe it's not E Series, is it? F. Okay, I guess it is the E Series. Oh. E Series. Okay, E Series number 5. And the year is 2011 on this, so you will be these ones. Scan all sensors. So I scan front left. You come up to it, you guys can see, then you will push this middle button to figure out if it's here or not. And they're not here. I don't think there's any sensors in here. If they are, they're all dead. Because the light is on in this van too for TPMS sensors. I don't like dash lights, but I've grown to live with them. Adapt with them. Yeah, there's nothing here. So, trigger failed. It's not scanning this. That means there's no sensors in here. Or if there is, the batteries are dead, so that's same thing as no sensor. Sensor or no sensor, if it doesn't read it, it doesn't matter. You're in a position where you need to get new ones. So I need to get new ones. It's really easy. It tells you the procedure to relearn everything depends on the vehicle. So this has the procedure for every single vehicle. Don't worry about messing up on something or not being able to know how to go about it or how to fix the problem. So main thing is to actually have a unit like this in hand and to be able to scan it, and then it tells you how to relearn the procedure and how to reactivate your sensors, even if you bought new ones, or how to reprogram your old ones if you need to be, or maybe your battery's dead and then it only intermittently turns on and off. All that you'll be able to tell, because on Daniel's car, he's got 2 that have low batteries in them. And we did it, but they're okay for now, but he's got low batteries, so soon he's gonna have to be changing 2 of them out anyways again. And this is the product, guys. Maxi TPMS TireGo 808. I'll leave the link in the description for Amazon. That way you guys know where to get it from if you guys want one of these. They also have other cheaper models. The 808 is more of a little bit of an advanced one compared to some of the other cheaper ones. But hey, if you're just looking to read the code, read which tire, and reprogram a tire, it doesn't matter. You can get a cheaper one as well. I got this one because it updates via Wi-Fi. It's got a little more features, but if you guys want one, link in the description. As soon as I order new sensors, which I'll probably just get on the computer and order all 4 brand new ones, order them up, get them here, and then get them installed. I'm gonna probably do an installation of 2 new tires as well in the front, because I didn't do alignment on time, and yeah, my tires are bad. I've got some vibrations that I shouldn't have. So I'll do another video again of how to do it on my van exactly. But if you guys want, you know, see how the WRX works and how we did it on the WRX, I'll leave Daniel's video in the description. You guys can watch it. Thanks, God bless.